Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to do the Lesson 3 problem set. The first thing that you're going to want to do is write your name on the top of your paper with a pencil. Pause the video and do that. Welcome back. This says, draw the shapes and write the numbers to complete the number bonds. So up here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smiley faces. I have all 5 smiley faces in this circle of the number bond. Can you draw the shapes and write the numbers to complete the missing parts of the number bond? How many red smiley faces do you see? How many white smiley faces do you see? So on this number bond, you're going to draw the smiley faces. And on this number bond, you're going to write the number. So there's 5 smiley faces all together, and then that's why I see the number 5 over here. Then you're going to do the same thing down here with the shapes. How many shapes are there all together? 1, 2, 3. Great job. So I'm going to draw the shapes that I see. I'm going to draw a triangle and draw 2 squares. And then I'm going to draw how many triangles there are and how many squares there are. Then over here I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to write the number instead of the picture. So in this circle I'm going to write the number 3 because there's 3 shapes. Can you figure out what missing numbers go here? Awesome job. Pause the video and do that. Welcome back. Now, you're going to do this part of the problem set. This says, write the numbers to complete the number bond. Put the number of dogs in one part and the number of balls in the other part. So the first thing that I want to do when I write a number bond is I want to figure out how many pictures are there all together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put the 5 on the top of my number bond. Then it asks you to put the number of dogs in one part and the number of balls in the other part. Write in those numbers. Last, we're going to look at the hen and the chicks. Look at the picture. Tell a story about the birds going home to your neighbor. Draw a number bond and write the number sentence that matches your story. So you're going to draw a number bond with circles, and you're going to fill in the number bond to match this picture and tell a story. Have fun! I can't wait to see your hard work.